The best and more easy pizza at home. You can do a professional way. You don't need the pizzeria anymore, guys. Look at that. Look this border. Unbelievable result. Time to enjoy. Super hot. Beautiful dough. Super easy, guys. Follow this recipe. Make your own.
Time for tasting.
Time for tasting. Unbelievable. It's like a pizzeria. And a good one, guys.
Better than you order online, you must make your own.
Make your own. And of course, you can dress it with everything. Pepperoni, chicken, pineapple, do what you want. Just make your own, guys. And in this video, I will show you how to do the perfect dough. The one is working at home perfectly and don't require any knowledge. Extremely easy, just require that. We will open the pizza, the pizza by hand. We dress it and we bake it. And I will show you the most perfect pizza ever. Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
subscribe.
the dough will be simple, as a chef, I will make it simple for you to get the best result at home. But we require some accessory. Starting from the base, this baby, the pizza oven. The pizza need to be cooked at temperature around 300 to 500 degrees, depend what you wanna do. I will go for 150. You require a special oven. And we got this baby, the Uni #2 electric oven for home, courtesy of Amazon, and we will unbox right now. Of course, as every accessory, I will put all the link in bio. This brand is one of the best you can find, of course. Indoor, you can use outdoor, is coming with the stone where we cook our pizza. The instruction, I think we don't need it. And that's the baby. Look at that. Unbelievable, super precise. Display digital, make it nice. This oven is coming with the stone for the pizza, or is coming with the rack as well that you can put it on, to cook something different. This is on, you see the display, very nice digital display, unbelievable machine. The beauty about this oven in particular, apart is reaching the temperature of 450, we will go 430. Look at that. Outside is 32-33 degrees. The screen 32-31 degrees. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, because what you want at home is you want, of course, the right temperature inside, but you don't want to burn yourself. And again, from Amazon, our pizza pala, how I call, of course, the spatula is coming, of course, with the handle. We will plug it in, and that's it. Perfect size for our pizza oven. Of course, you can get even something like that, a little bit more simple. If you want, you are scared about your stone that is get burned, dirty, you can get something like that. Are two aluminum pizza plate, you put the pizza on top, push it in your oven, and that's it. And of course, Thank you, Amazon. We got our pizza plate. This is Verona brand. Very nice one. For the ingredient, super simple. 1 kilo of flour. I use the Caputo Rosso. This is a 25 kilo pack. Of course, you can find in a kilo pack, as usual from Amazon. 20 grams of salt. 2 grams of fresh yeast. If you are in Abu Dhabi, it's difficult, but I will put the link where you can find this baby. And 700 grams of water. Semola, same brand, we will use to open our pizza. For our tomato sauce, because we will do a normal margherita just to show you what it is after. Put your own topping. Of course, I will make it simple again. I bought the passata from Pomi. We will favorite that. Shredded mozzarella or mozzarella for pizza, how they call. If you use the fresh one, make sure you strain it, otherwise will be a watery pizza. And we will need a box to grow our dough, and after that a proofer for our pizza ball. The most simple and effective and beautiful pizza at home you can do it, believe me. I'm the best, I'm a professional chef. And what we do is quite simple, need just a little bit of attention. That means in a bowl, we take the kilo flour and we combine with the salt. On the side, we melt the yeast with the lukewarm water. Don't need to be too hot, don't need to be too cold. It's just to melt the yeast and activate the yeast itself. We take the water and we combine in the bowl with a mix of flour, but really roughly. You say it's not a dough, but will be. We let it rest. I always do in the oven with the light on to make sure the temperature is around 28-30 degrees for 40 minutes. After that, to give structure to the dough, we do our pieghe, how we call. We fold the dough several times, at least 5-6 times. And we let it rest again. In this case, I suggest overnight or minimum 8 hours. If you go over, even better. The dough need to grow, need to rise. You can see the bubble inside. That is making light, fluffy. When we bake it at 350 or 400 degrees, will be boom, explode, and very nice and light pizza. Of course, before that, a few hours before, I suggest 3-4 hours, make your bowl. And look at that, yeah? This is what we want. After 5-6 hours, our dough is bubbling, ready to do the bowl. Remember, for our balls, we will do balls of 200 grams to get a pizza of 33-35 centimeters. We take the dough, we measure 200 grams. We take a little bit of flour, just on our end, of course, and we need to form a ball. And when we have the ball, we put in our proofer and we let things stay there. And this is what you want, you know what I mean? Your balls in the proofer, we cover. If you wanna be fast, 2-3 hours, you keep it room temperature like this. Otherwise, I will put in the fridge, will take a little bit longer, that means around 5 hours, and ready for tonight pizza. After the bowl ready, we are ready to open our dough. I will do it by hand, you can do by rolling pin, but it's not the same. We put our topping and we bake it. And that's it. To open our dough, I use just semola. The question the semola it's a little bit more gross, means doesn't stick too much to the dough. We are sure we don't burn the bottom when we put in the pizza oven. For the topping, I don't mind. In this case, we go easy margherita, tomato sauce. I just put olive oil and salt and shredded mozzarella. How I told you, if you wanna use the fresh mozzarella, make sure you cut it and you put on a paper because need to dry out a little bit, otherwise you have a watery pizza for the milk of the mozzarella. And don't forget your olive oil, of course, as usual. If you want basil, I couldn't find here in this season, doesn't matter. Of course, it's a must, it's a beautiful flavor, put your basil on. And that's it, guys, that's it. Don't forget your pizza oven is extremely important. In the normal oven cannot be, because the normal oven arrived to 250 max. That means the dough will take more time, will dry out. It's not the same pizza like the restaurant. You need a pizza oven. The best, more easy and effective, look at that, pizza at home, you can do it. Unbelievable easy, perfect result, Italian style, pizzeria style, look at that. And Chef Eileen join us for the testing. Look this border, look at that. Unbelievable. Dough, unbelievable result, super easy. Time to enjoy.
Time for tasting.
Time for tasting. Super hot. Look at that. Unbelievable. It's like a pizzeria. And a good one, guys. Look at that. Nice, soft, really light. I need to be honest. Unbelievable dough, please guys, make your own.
Better than you order online, you must make your own.
Don't order that. You cannot make your own. Super fresh. Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe!